Welcome. In this video, you're about to learn some interesting things you may have never heard of before. So grab some tea, buckle up, and let's have a go. The Guinness Book of World Records was invented by Sir Hugh Beaver, the director of the Guinness Brewery, for bar patrons to solve trivia questions and dispel drunken arguments. Studies have shown that a human's ability to smell petrichor, the pleasant wet earthy smell followed by rainfall, is greater than a shark's ability to smell blood in water. Slightly underweight dogs live an average of 2 years longer than dogs that are slightly overweight. Right then, with that, perhaps you could consider giving a little less roughage to Rufus. The company Amazon almost had a different name. Jeff Bezos, its founder, first registered the company as Cadabra Inc. in 1994 with the word abracadabra in mind. Realizing it could be easily misspelled, and misspelled as cadaver especially, he decided to change it. True story. Caesar salad is attributed to a chef named Caesar Cardini. The salad itself has nothing to do with Julius Caesar. Now, go eat your salad. 60% of Earth's population lives in Asia. With more than 40 countries throughout Asia, some being the most populated on Earth, it might not be difficult now to understand that 60% of the world indeed lives there.
To prevent drifting apart in ocean currents, sea otters often hold hands with one another while they sleep, a behavior known as rafting. Cute, huh? Here's something to write about. The Sumerians of ancient Mesopotamia are credited with creating one of the earliest known logosyllabic writing systems called cuneiform. Mostly surviving on clay tablets, it was developed around 3400 BC. In chemistry, the periodic table organizes elements by increasing atomic number, and elements in the same column have similar chemical properties due to having the same number of electrons in their outer shell. And who said that science wasn't interesting? The Inca Empire built an extensive and sophisticated network of roads and bridges across the Andes, spanning over 25,000 miles. The road network was incredibly built without metal or iron, wheels, or stock animals to pull heavy loads. Birds navigate using the Earth's magnetic field. What few people know is that many migratory birds have a special protein in their eyes that allows them to see the Earth's magnetic field, aiding them in navigation. The first recorded Olympic Games took place in 776 BC in Olympia, Greece, and featured various athletic competitions such as running, jumping, and wrestling. This was all to honor their god Zeus.
If you require saffron for a cooking recipe and you're on a tight budget, better think again. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world, ranging from $500 to $5,000 per pound. Chickens, believe it or not, vastly outnumber humans on Earth. Really, with poultry being such a common food staple in so many countries, there are an estimated 25 billion chickens alive and clucking worldwide. If you paid attention in astronomy class, you may already know this. Astronomers say that the moon was once a piece of the Earth. Theory has it that the Earth was struck by a giant object during its formation, breaking off a large chunk of Earth, creating our moon. John Wayne, arguably Hollywood's most famous cowboy, didn't like riding horseback. He learned to ride young and did so frequently that by the time he started making movies, he was already fed up with it. True story. During the colonial era, around the 17th and 18th centuries, lobsters were so plentiful and abundant that they were often considered poor man's food. They were even served to prisoners. Quite a change from today's standards. The planet Jupiter may be a failed star. It is composed of hydrogen and helium, the same elements as the Sun. However, Jupiter isn't large enough to start nuclear fusion and generate its own energy. If it was around 80 times bigger than it is now, it would likely become a star with low mass.
Did you fancy that? I know that we liked putting it together for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.